This video will walk you through the process of submitting an internal technical support request through AEA Manager. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open a web browser and navigate to the PLAEA webpage by inserting www.plaea.org in the address bar. Once there, click the Staff Portal link and then click AEA Manager. You'll be prompted to insert your AEA Manager credentials, so go ahead and do that. After the website is loaded, click the Technical Support link on the left-hand sidebar. Once you've clicked it, you'll be taken to the Prairie Lakes Technical Support Request login page. Again, you'll be prompted to submit login credentials, and this time, use the same credentials you used to sign into your AEA laptop. So I'm going to use a dummy account. If everything is correct, you can fill in the required fields and submit your request. So in the requester field, I'm going to put my name. In office location, I'll select my AEA office. For contact number, I'm going to put my AEA office phone number, but I could also put a cell phone number if that was more appropriate. And then in the detailed description of support request field, I just want to detail the issue that I am experiencing with my computer. My computer blue screened while checking email. Before clicking submit, you'll notice that you can attach a file of some type that might help a technician troubleshoot. For instance, if you had a corrupt Office file or a screenshot of an error message or something of that nature, that could be included too. I'm going to go ahead and add the blue screen snapshot that I took and send that to the technicians as well. So after I've finished, I'll click the submit button, and my request will be emailed to the internal technical support team. From there, you'll be notified of your submission via email. After that, a technician will be in contact with you to start the troubleshooting process. One thing to note, while you're logged into the technical support request portal, you can see your open help requests and also your closed requests. So if I wanted to add a comment to a ticket that I had open, I would just click on the ticket, it would bring up the information, and I could add information by typing in this field and then clicking submit comment. If the issue was resolved, or if the issue is no longer occurring, I could also close the request by clicking the Close Request link. Thank you.